What's up, everyone? It's Lex again here with OMTech Laser, and today we're at Christopher Trask's house doing an interview and getting his behind the scenes of being a real demo room host.
So I've been laser engraving for about 8 years now. I've used many types of different lasers. I've done it professionally, and now I'm doing it on the side for my own business. And I do different things like wood, glass, leather, pretty much everything under the sun.
How did you first find out about OMTech?
So when I was doing research for different types of lasers, there's multiple brands out there, but OMTech stood out to me just because it's local, customer support is great, the online support is incredible. The Facebook group, you're always going to find an answer to whatever you're looking for, definitely no matter what time of the day is. So my favorite thing is learning about other people's uses for the machine. I've met people that are using it for sign shops, just for signs.
Yeah.
I've met people that just do, cutting boards strictly. I'm always needing somebody different, and it's great to meet with them because it gives you ideas for what you can do and what else the machine can do. And it also helps them because they have somebody to come back to and ask questions and things like that. So if you're looking to become a demo host, basically just go online, look for demo hosts, and you'll basically find a questionnaire asking you about the machine you have, the experience you have, and from there they do a online video with you, just going over everything, discussing the process, letting you know, hey, we're doing this, we're doing that.
Would you say that since you became a demo room host, has it impacted your business positively? Has it grown just from meeting contacts or different people?
I would say my business has grown significantly with the demo host. I even have people that reach out to me. They'll go and find me on the demo room website, and they won't schedule something, but they already have a machine, but they never took a demo class. They didn't go over the machine with anybody else, and they'll reach out to me personally. Being part of the community really helps.
Yeah. If someone can't do it, someone is out there that can do it.
Exactly. There's always somebody out there that can help you.
So do you have any advice for someone who's thinking about applying to be a demo room host?
I would say if you're looking to apply and you're scared to do it, I would just say do it. You won't know until you try it. It's become a lovely experience for me. You meet incredible people. You get paid to do it as well. So it's inspired me to do a lot more.
There you have it. Behind the scenes of another demo room host for OMTech Laser. If you like what you see or you have more comments or questions on being a demo room host, make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification because we have a lot of laser content coming up.